Hello student. Now we perform ASK modulation and demodulation experiment. This is the trainer kit of Halcon Electronics company, the digital communication system. Okay. This is the power supply and this one is the CRO. Okay. First we give the supply by this power supply. Okay. Now we set this button into G4 by press this button. Now in ASK we give the analog signal converted into digital signal, means of an ASK. So first we give the digital signal. So this is our digital signal data. Okay, this is set into 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1. Okay, now we take from her output and give the input to the encoding data to convert digital data into a digital signal, and another one connection from TX clock to clock 2 and one from out 10 to input as a ASK. Okay, and in ASK and another one is carrier signal. So from the carrier generator sign 2 we take as a carrier signal and give the supply to the IN2. Now the IN3 is taken as a ground point. And then this out to give to the supply of ASK demodulator section. Okay, now again I repeat the connection from S data to one input gives to encoded data, another one from clock TX clock to clock 2, another out 10 goes to input as a ASK, and for carrier signal carrier sign 2 to IN2, and another one is for grounded, and this is our common grounded point. So now we switch on the CRO to see the different waveform at different section. Okay, we switch on the CRO. Okay, now we see the first our applying signal, digital signal. Okay, now the upper part is stands for 1 and lower part is stands for 0. 1 0 0 1. Okay, this is our signal. We arrange this. Okay, now we check this is our message signal in digital format. Now we check our carrier signal in sign 2, carrier section sign 2. This is our carrier signal. Now we check our output after passing the digital signal and clock signal in the ASK modulator part. Okay, this is, look here, in the one point the signal amplitude is vary, but in lower, in 0 case, in digital signal 0, the amplitude is 0. Okay, you see, in 0 the amplitude should be 0, but in case of 1 the amplitude is vary. Okay, now we check the input of ASK demodulator part. The input is same. The input is same. Now we check our after ASK demodulator after message after ASK modulator signal demodulated. Okay, now we check the output of demodulator. Look, again we get our input signal. Okay, again I tell you, this is our digital signal. Okay, this is our carrier signal. तापर then output of ASK comes to output of ASK demodulator modulator. Okay, the main function of ASK modulator is, in case of digital signals 1, the amplitude should be vary, but in case of 0, the amplitude is 0. So this is the basic function of ASK modulator and demodulator.